How to delete OKX account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete OKX account. To delete OKX account, first of all you need to open your OKX application on your mobile device. And here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, here tap on this 9-dot icon at the top left corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to your profile page. Here in this page, you need to tap on your profile name at the top, and once you reach to this user center page, here select security tab. Once you select security, here you will need to scroll down, and at the very bottom, you will be able to see two different options, whether to freeze your account or close your account. If you want to temporarily delete your account, you can tap on freeze account. But if you want to close your account permanently, you can tap on this close account option at the very bottom. Once you tap on it, it will ask you if you are really sure to close your account permanently. Because once you do so, it can't be undone. If you are sure to do that, you can tap on continue to close, and here you will need to select one of these options while you are leaving this OKX platform. You can choose one of these options and then tap on this continue button below. You'll also get the option to combine your account if you have multiple OKX accounts. If not, you can just tap on continue to close. Here you will need to review these terms and then tap on I understand button. Tap on I understand once again, and at the bottom again tap on I understand. Make sure you read all these terms and conditions. After that, you can tap on continue at the very bottom. Here to close your account, you will need to complete these steps. If you have any open orders, you will need to cancel them. Also, if you have funding and trading accounts, you will need to empty them. If you have done all of them, you will see the complete button at the right side of it. After doing that, tap on this continue button at the very bottom and then tap on close account to confirm the deletion. Here, if you have added phone authentication or email authentication, then you will need to first verify it. Tap on this send code option at the right side and wait for the code, and once you get it, enter it in the provided field. After that, again tap on the send code option at the bottom next to this email authentication box. Now a code will be sent to your email address associated to your OKX account. Wait for the code, and once you get it, enter it in this box. Once after entering the code, tap on this confirm button at the bottom. After that, you will see your account has been successfully deleted. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete your OKX account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.